It's time to rise and shine. It's time to be about that business. It's time to understand that if you want to get something out of your life, you got to be willing to work for it. I'm talking to the one that wants to go beyond the limit.
Coming down like a sumo.
I'm talking to the one that is willing to work a little bit harder than the next man or the next
Maybe
woman.
I should call them sumo squats.
I'm talking to the one that's
Your
been
thighs
through
should
hell.
burn.
I'm talking to the one that really wants to take it to that level that no one has ever been.
Going back into the regular
When you
jazz.
step into that room, when you step into that environment, you got to be hungry enough to eat what is coming your way. You cannot be concerned about what can't be done.
And girls,
You need to be focused on what must be done.